Close your eyes and take a slow, steady breath in. Let it go gently. Give yourself permission to pause. You've been working hard, thinking, doing, striving. But right now, there is nothing to prove. No pressure, no expectations. Just you, in this moment. Breathe in calm. Breathe out tension. Let your shoulders drop. Let your jaw soften. Let your thoughts slow down. Feel yourself arriving here, not as a job title or a role, but as a whole, worthy person. This space is yours. Now, gently bring your awareness to your heart. Beneath the surface of your daily life, there is a strong, resilient part of you that may have been overlooked or forgotten. But it's there. It always has been. And right now, you are invited to reconnect with that inner strength. You are not defined by a job offer. You are not defined by a resume or a rejection. Your worth does not come from a title, a paycheck, or someone else's opinion of your potential. You are worthy because you exist. You have value just as you are. Think back to a moment when you faced a challenge and got through it. You may have doubted yourself then, but you made it. Let that memory rise in your heart. Feel the strength it took. Feel the growth that happened, even if it was quiet or invisible to others. As you continue breathing slowly and steadily, repeat these words quietly in your mind. I am enough. I am growing. I trust the path unfolding for me. I believe in my journey. Now think about your career goals, not with pressure but with love. What kind of work lights you up? What kind of life do you want to build? Let your dreams rise without judgment. Your career is not just a job, it's an expression of who you are and the impact you want to make. Whatever season you're in, searching, waiting, pivoting, remind yourself that you're not behind. You're preparing. You're aligning. You're becoming. Every step counts. Every effort matters. And every part of you deserves kindness through the process. Breathe into that truth. Let it settle into your bones. You don't have to force anything. The right opportunity will meet the version of you that is grounded, confident, and clear. And that begins with self-love. Take one more deep breath in and let it go. Gently carry this feeling of self-love and inner strength with you. Bring it into your job search, your next interview, your everyday life. Let it guide how you speak to yourself. Let it shape how you show up. Your future is still being written, and it starts with you.